Introducing our latest innovation, PCB's Killer Version 2, Precision Depaneling System, engineered for cutting-edge accuracy and speed, built to serve industrial and defense markets. At its core, PCB's Killer Version 2 features a high-speed spindle and an optional rotary saw, designed to handle both mouse bite and V-groove PCBs by delivering clean cuts with zero stress on components. Seamlessly connected to the factory floor with integrated MES that brings full traceability, real-time monitoring, and total production control. With a vision-based fiducial system, the machine learns, adapts, and cuts with precision. User-friendly software allows the user to run a dry cycle and live edits the existing program in just a few clicks. From 5-stage bit depth control to auto bit change, diameter checking, tool calibration and safety interlocks, every detail is engineered to deliver lasting performance and safety. Engineered by Kitron Global Automation team, PCB's Killer Version 2 delivers efficient high-speed cutting and clean board exits with minimal scrap. A complete ecosystem blending automation and UI simplicity built for production floors where precision matters most.